Hello everyone, this is an education video. We suggest you to watch with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience. Today we're gonna talk about support, resistance and clean traffic areas. These are three concepts which are very important in our trading plan. Support and resistance usually support is where price comes after a downfall and then find support to one level. We check usually the levels are key rounded area numbers, but that doesn't mean necessarily. What it means is that it needs to hold support. It can have wicks here and then close above wicks. The body candle closure closes above a certain level and then we confirm that level as support. It does not necessarily mean on a downtrend. To happen on a downtrend, it can happen also when price is going up, like this, for example. Here, for example, we have support, here we have support, here we have support, because price is acting as it's failing to break that level to the downside. For example, right here we don't have support, or here we don't have support, here we don't have support, but we have here around this where price is failing to break to the downside. Resistance is where price fails to break a certain level. When price is failing to break a certain level, comes again and then it just fails to break this level, or for example this level, and then resistance usually is the supply, they call it also the supply area, where where market can gives enough order for price to fill all these all the orders that are going to the upside can be filled on this level, so it finds resistance. It doesn't the amount of orders does not exceed the amount of supply that can be found in this key area levels where the market provides. Whereas in the support case we have demand, because we have a certain level here and then price is coming up to a demand. It falls until it finds demand for the price, where the orders are filled now in the demand. That's what the terms of technical analysis basically happens. Clean traffic areas is, for example, like this. Here we have some support, break support. Here we have next support, but from one support to another support, or from in a bearish trend, or from one resistance to another resistance, where prices are. These areas here are clean traffic. We need the clean moves, and these are usually the moves that mirror to the left hand side. If we have a clean traffic to the left hand side, whenever price starts to move out from this level where it finds support or resistance to go to the next level area of interest, usually price just mirrors the same. What happened on the left hand side, it happens on the right hand side. So we tend to find for these clean traffic areas to trade. So let's go ahead. Like for example, we have a clear example here. We have a clean traffic area to the left hand side here, and then we find some resistance right over here, and then price tries but fails to break this resistance because there is enough demand. And then what happens with the price after it breaks its support? Because now this is a range basically where you have resistance and support, you have, or a resistance in the big picture. You have this here, And then as you can see, price moves. Here you have clean traffic to the left hand side, and then you mirror that to the left hand side. So but there is a high probability that we can mirror this, but it does not necessarily means all the time 100%, because you have clean traffic here, but this is not very clean traffic to the left hand side. So let's go ahead and find some other areas. Support, for example. Let's go ahead and find support. Go back to support. Support is this level here, where price fails to break below this level. Support is again this level here, where price tries to break but cannot break because there is enough momentum to move to the other side. Sometimes it tries once, it tries twice, it tries 3 times, and then it breaks. For example, here. Now it moves to the upside, come back, moves, and then finds a bit of support and then breaks, because there is not enough momentum to the upside also, and then goes to the next level of support right over here, and then it breaks again and then goes to the next level of support right over here, and then finds a bit of support but not enough, and then goes to the next level of support right over here, and then here is enough support for the price. Look, here is also support. Usually supports and resistance are areas of interest and areas that are respected, but sooner or later all those areas will get broken. For example, here you can see you have a bit of resistance here, goes bit of tries to approach this, goes down, tries to approach this, and then it breaks. What's the reason for the break? Sometimes is the news, sometimes is depending on the pair. So in gold, for example, whenever you have fear on the market, gold moves up. Whenever you have believe in the market, gold moves down. It depends also in which scenarios, because in some scenarios, even when there's fear, gold moves down. So it's interesting. But what's important is you need to find always, you need to always try to be to teach your eyes to find automatic the support and resistance areas, because that, and the clean traffic areas. For example, let's just say let's go here, and let's just grab the replay here. What we have here, for example, is we have this support here, and then where is the next support? We have here. Where is the resistance? We have a small resistance here. We have a resistance at this level, which, as you can see, it's being quite respected, and then you have here, and then this is how you mark up your zones. And then you go, for example, you go to see, we move from resistance to resistance. Here, that was my mistake, because here is also resistance, but for us we need to find these clean traffic areas, and then this is not clean traffic, so we don't put it here, we put it here, right at the end of, or right at the bottom, or right at the top of the resistance. And then you just go and you see price broke resistance here, and then came back, formed support, found support, confirmed support, confirmed support with this candle here, and now we have to retest the high. As this, for example, this is one of the trading plans that we take usually a lot, and has a high accuracy trade. When price comes, makes a high here, price makes a high, found support, usually is previous support, new high created, support form, entry is taking as price broke the high of the confirmation candle here, retest the high, and that's it. But yeah, so let's go ahead and play this. Now you have, you see, when you respect, sometimes resistance becomes support, and now you have this. Then you have this nasty traffic to the left hand side. Let's go ahead and mark this, and then see where this level, like here, resistance is respected. Where is the next support? Next support is here. We can, after that support, next support is here, and then it's here. Let's see how this levels. Doesn't necessarily mean these levels to be respected, but here, for example, we can find support here, and then we have this clean traffic, so we can move again to clean the traffic that we made, the clean traffic. This level here, for example. So yeah, this is support and resistance. I don't see it a very good very good explanation actually that I made, but this is just to make you like a small sort of understanding what is support and resistance. So for example, let's pause here and let's find resistance. It's this levels where price is rejecting at the moment, and then you go to the left hand side, this acted as support, and then you have this, then you have this. Where is the support? Support is one is here, another one is here, another one is here, and then you play that. Then as you can see, comes. We made the same mistake because the main support is right over here. Comes, acts as support. We don't trade based on support and resistance, we just need to find these areas, because then we have other trading plans where we act as where we find our trading plans. But it's a very key feature of our trading plan, support and resistance and clean traffic areas. For example, here you have clean traffic to the left hand side, you mirror that. Sometimes you mirror, sometimes you don't mirror. Right here you mirror. Here you have a bit of clean traffic, clean traffic, clean traffic, clean traffic. Now we made clean traffic here. Let's see if we mirror that one. Here, clean traffic, clean traffic, clean traffic, clean traffic. That's why we trade clean traffic areas, because sometimes can be very helpful and can mirror itself on the left hand side or on the right hand side. You have clean traffic here, you have clean traffic here. Now we're starting to come close to our areas of interest. As you can see, gold moved quite a lot to the upside lately. You have clean traffic here, 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 clean traffic here. So yeah, we try to find these clean traffic areas, because that's where all about our trading plan is. We need our left hand side to be clean traffic. We need this clean traffic in order, for example, here we have support, resistance, we are in a range, we need confirmation of break above this range, but we need this clean traffic to the left hand side with no resistance, no rejections, in order for us to take a buy and then take a trade basically. Or we need like this, and then like this move. But here we need this clean traffic area. So as soon as we break this level here, this box, as soon as we break, we confirm we break the low of the confirmation candle, we end ourselves, because we have clean traffic to the left hand side. So that's about it about clean traffic and support and resistance. I hope this video can be helpful a bit, and you can find this video helpful. We will make this whole 5-6 videos of important concepts on our trading plan, which are, we already made the one define the trend, where we did go ahead and where we discuss our let's go ahead and check it here, where we discuss here define the trend education series. We can see on the playlist also, I think we go on the education series here, and then we're gonna add here the today's video, which is support, resistance and clean traffic. And after we make this list of videos, hopefully you can have a clear understanding on the way we trade. And yeah, then we're gonna have also the trading plans videos, where for each setup we're gonna go explain and do a bit of backtest of every setup that we take. We have like 6 setups, and yeah. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, support the channel.